So hi, what did you learn for your time at Refactor Academy?
So my name is Yassine. And I come to France to study in SCM Lyon. So what did I learn in the first week in Refactor? So I learned the JavaScript React. So it was a new thing to learn in Refactor. It was very good. So I learned a new thing. So
Can you describe the project that you did in
Yes,
JavaScript?
it was a basics project. It was to do a to-do list. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript React. So I learned to do it, and it was very nice.
Hi, I'm Lucas from Estienne Bourges, and me, I do the same of Thibaut and Yassine. But the second week, we do the basics of resource administration and a little cybersecurity. Yeah, we do a lot of labs and we learn the docs.
Yeah, this is the first time you've come to India.
Yes.
You've spent almost a month here. Let us talk a little bit about how you've achieved this. You've come from a different country and you've gotten yourself well accustomed here. Tell me a little bit about that.
The first time we came into India, we departed from the plane and we took the taxi, so it was a crazy drive on the road. Like he was going left, right, always fast, and every time we were scared of dying. It was crazy.
About what you learned in cybersecurity, in networks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, so last time I am Thibaut. I come from Paris College, and I come from, I want to go India to learn more than cybersecurity. And this experience was very good for me because I want to improve my level in English. So it was very fantastic.
Let's talk a little bit about the training you did here in the 2 weeks that you spent here. Tell me what you learned in week 1, week 2.
Here in Refactor, I learned many things about network security, cyber security. As my last lab, I do RSYS configuration, server side and client side, and it was very good.
My name is Olivier. Refactor, I run React.js, and also I improved my JavaScript and my cybersecurity knowledge. So it was a good experience.
How's your experience been of India?
In India, have a lot of traffic, a lot of people.
Yeah.
But the people are very welcoming and very sympathic.
Yes, we are in India since 6 weeks. With my friends, we do a lot of things like we visit some monuments like Mysuru Palace, some gardens and other things. It was very nice to see these monuments. And
Training with us at Refactor Academy. Tell us what you learned for the 2 weeks that you were here.
I improved my road skills because I have already learned right my last internship, but it's already good to refresh our skills, and I learned a little bit of security like new protocols, password, Zoom, and
during this internship, we learned a lot of cybersecurity. So I discovered the OT model, how to use Wireshark, how to secure my password in the Ref, and that's all.
Actually, we're not exactly from Paris. We are from Metz.
Okay.
It's to the east
Okay.
of Paris. And personally, I live in a small city of 5,000 inhabitants. And yes, my father is retired, and my mother work in a city hall.